Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to log a row. As example, I will create number. You can tap 1, 2, and then I will scroll down here. The next, if you want to log like after these 5 rows, you can select and then go to view menu, click on free span. The next, you can click free span tools. So it will be log a row in number 4. You can scroll down. It will be log in number 4. If you want to erase this log, you can click again free span and then click on free span. So I will click again at this row number 10 and you can click free span, click free span tools. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to log a row. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.